Just opened the box for the chicken coop door, and boy is it simple. You got your door, which is already there, frame's already on it, your solar panel, you got to put that together, which is just to screw that in. A couple screws for the solar panel, and then the door, a screwdriver, and if you don't want to go solar, you have a wall outlet, at least a USB, so you can plug it into a wall. That seems very, very simple. So let's go install this thing now. So before installing this thing, I had to do a little bit of modification. Not that's fault, my fault. My door was too big. Again, this was just a quick and dirty chicken coop because we had chickens. But my door was like, about 2 inches too wide. So I just moved those boards over, and now I can do this. And then I'll just sit right there. So let's get this installed. Got the first part done. I have the solar panel going out up there because I have no other outlet here. And I'm going to go mount to the roof. Just a heads up, if you guys do this, either have it charged a little bit or have like a power bank on you. I accidentally locked some of my chickens in there and they were not happy with me at all. So I'm going to leave it open so it charges. Let's go install the solar panel. Got the solar panel mounted. Well, south is that way, and I don't want to stick it on the side right here because I have this shop over here, so then with it being winter, it's so little sun, but I know the sun will reach the top of there most of the day. Except for, of course, a rainy, cloudy day today. But I do see we have power in there, which you can't really tell. Let's go figure how to set all this thing up. So, just to conclude the chicken coop door, that is the easiest thing ever to set up. I see you guys getting close to me. All it was 6 screws there and 3 screws for the solar panel. That is it. The wire is what, 10 feet maybe? I see it going through and up. So you got to figure out good placement for that. But that was simple. On there for settings, it's literally just, do you want to close and open at light level or time? Or you can do a mixture of both. Open at 6 and then close at a certain light level over there. I just have it to open at 6 and close at 9. Maybe in a few weeks I'll probably bring it down to like 5, 6, because then that's when it starts to get really dark here and our chickens are already in bed by then. But we decided to put it there because we usually, if we lock them in here, it's just easier to close that and call it good. Yeah, the chickens are in there. They're still yelling at me. But I do want to thank Besley for sending that. And like I said, if you guys do want to order, I'll put the link down below in the comments. We do get a little commission off it. So it should be nice to help out the family eye and these assholes, as I call them. But yeah, just let me know what you guys think.